We at Derby Garage are proud sponsors of...
We're Derby Garage here, proud sponsors of Lion ARs.
Okay, we at Derby Garage, proud sponsors of Lion AR. Freak 'em, baby!
Freak 'em! Here we go.
So basically got this X3-M kit put onto the X3. I've had the exhaust, I actually darkened them myself. I sprayed them just to see if it'll give it that bit of effect, but they're just too small for the gap. So I've got these really good ceramic pipes. They're gonna go on, it's gonna look mint. I'll just show you, just give me a sec. Excuse the mess in the boot. With these. They're actually twin tailpipes. You gotta love that feature where you just kick the bottom of the car and it closes the boot. So literally that's gonna go on the back. I'm gonna see what they look like. I actually sprayed these myself with some spray just to give it that little stealth look, but nah, we'll do it before and after. One's got a curve on it, one's straight. The curved one is going to go on the right side. That's what you end up with. You've got a big mark in the ass. Say hello, Mark.
Hello.
ETS, the place to be. So basically what Mark's saying is the better way to do this is not to chop it off from the end. It's literally now, we're gonna chop it off from there, because that will then literally just sit straight onto the original exhaust. So yeah, so you only change the tailpipes, which is it's a better finish. Better finish and more straightforward. This is where we're at, Eden Tyres. If you live in Derby, these lot have been here for years. I used to come and use these lot when I used to do other stuff with other cars. But since I've been buying in newer cars that got warranty, literally wait for them to see if you can do certain things to them. So I've got obviously the X3 on the ramp today, getting the full exhaust done. Let's see how it looks when it's finished. Is that it? Just two pops?
No.
Oh, okay.
More.
Okay. That looks mint, that does, doesn't it? Looks loads better, that does. So that's just that temporary hole before you seal it on properly, yeah?
Yeah.
Looks loads better. That's how it should look, isn't it? Once we debadge it, I think then we've got a finished product. Welcome back, YouTube. It's been a while, and I can promise you, I have been active, but not on YouTube. I've been active on TikTok. I've started the year off with 200,000 followers. Well, less than 200,000, and I've gone up to like 200 and like 55,000. So I've been pushing my TikTok, been pushing a little bit on Insta, not too much, a bit quiet on Insta, but that's the reason why I've not been really doing this. I've been pushing the boxing content, and that's what I've been doing. But this is my first car video in 4 months since the Maserati fluid top up that I blew, and I just want to just show you what I'm doing today. I'm going to ETS in Derby. We're getting I'm getting my exhaust quadruple pipes on, and this BMW that I've got right now, I bought a 3-litre DM Sport. I just want to see what it's about, fuel economy, not 65.5 seconds. I was going to touch a map on it, and it would have been super rapid, because I went into one of my mates, he had an X5 at a 3-litre D, and trust me, it actually lifted my feet off the floor. That's how quick, if I was so much talk. But anyway, long story short, I've got this. It's been my daily. It's done me good fuel economy going up and down, especially with the current climate prices of fuel and diesel and everything else, and just queuing up sometimes for ages trying to get it. But anyway, long story short, got this 3-litre D Sport, and I converted it into an X3-M, and it looks really nice. Obviously you can tell it's got like the 2-tone leather, and it's got a decent spec on it. It looks, to me, it looks really nice. And today we're getting the exhaust on, because I've already had the body kit put on. I've been a bit quiet on YouTube, but yeah, so I'm back. I'm gonna start focusing a bit more on the boxing side of things on my channel. So if you're boxing fans, you know, this is the place for you to be. If you're a car enthusiast, I'll still be pushing out the car vlogs, but my focus right now is boxing. I've been getting into it. I've got big passion with it at the moment. I've been learning peekaboo style, self-taught, you know, looking at tutorials and stuff. I got a friend who's very good at peekaboo teaching me bits. I've been doing a lot of sparring and just getting into that kind of stuff. But yeah, putting them videos out soon, so keep watching. This is how the day goes. Thank you for tuning in. Freakum.
You're watching Lion AR on Freakum TV. Freakum baby, Freakum baby, Freakum baby.